The Anca Motion 619-1-02-0228 is part of the AM5000 series, which is used in a large Waterjet system. This power supply with embedded CPU communicates with the Ethernet 232.422 communication to the main controller, along with being integrated with multiple motor control axes. This system has been fully developed at ERD for all various combinations of AM5000 setups. This unit came to us very blown up and had extreme corrosion throughout the system. We performed a complete rebuild along with corrosion mitigation, and as shown in the video, we were able to bring it back to full operation. The test involves our custom interface box, which simulates all ANCO software and hardware controls. At ERD, we are equipped for working on any Waterjet system and can fully service any particular electronic part used within the system.
Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.